What's going on, guys? It's been a minute since I posted a video. I hear Kevin out there hollering. Sounds like he's out, but I'm sure he's not. I haven't let them out today. Usually they free range, but they've been laying eggs under the house and everywhere else. So, been keeping them pinned up till around after lunch, so that they'll go ahead and lay all their eggs down at the I don't see Kevin. I don't see him. There he is. Kevin, the rooster. Right there. What are you doing, Kevin? You gonna holler? You ain't? Yeah. And the comments. And big bird down there is, I call her Resputia Norbit, but it's cinnamon. And then we got 20 twin. We got Echo or Delta, morning church, night church. And I can't ever tell those apart. But anyways, back to what I was making a video for. So I have this Hummer that I did the doors on. Got leaves everywhere. Stuff falls. Maybe I done found my bottle. That's May and her mom Wheezy. Yeah, Wheezy likes to chase shadows. But okay, ADHD or whatever it is. But anyways, I had this trailer that I bought to haul parts in, and I've been wanting to use it behind the Humvee so that I could, I've got another plan of something that I want to do for people, and I'll put that out on another video once I get there. But I just wanted to make this video talking about the trailer lights. The Humvee has 24 volt system, and this trailer is for your standard vehicle, standard truck, 12 volt. So you can run most LEDs with 12 or 24 volt. So you can see I have popped all the covers off because I didn't want to burn the lights up. All the side marker lights. This thing needs cleaned. It's been sitting up there parked for a while, and I actually did that with the Humvee. I had this open when I was backing it one day, using it to see, and it went into it. So I've got to do a repair there. I've just got tape on it right now to keep water from getting in. So I have all the lights and stuff out all the way around so that I don't burn them up. And I also took the light out in here, the dome light, some tools and stuff in here that I've got to get out. Took those out, and I haven't got into that one, which just broke. I'm going to try and find a new one. The bulb actually works, and it had these lights in it that I thought were LED, and I got the system working with it. But then I was like, they're really bright. And then I got to looking at them, and they are not LED. But I had bought these LED stop, tail, and turn lights. I just put these back in there because they still work, and I'm going to hang them up in my shop for spares for something else if I need to add lights to. So I have the new LED lights in. Actually didn't take off the little protective thing. I have them in there. And what I did is I have, if you can see it up there, which I posted on one of the Humvee chats or one of the Humvee groups, asking if anybody has ever pulled that. It's the MEP 805 or something like that, a military generator. It is a 30 kilowatt three-phase generator. I pulled it with this and I didn't know if the little plug would work that goes to the trailer itself for the trailer lights. So I backed up there this morning and I tried to see if it would plug in, and it actually plugs into the Humvee. I'm gonna oil it and get it to go in a little bit better, but I hooked it up and the lights were working. So I was like, okay, now I can just take and cut this, and I can put a end like this wired into it to make it work with this trailer, so I could plug in this trailer and use it. But then I was like, I really don't want to cut this because I would like to keep this stock. I don't know why, because I will probably never put it back on the generator because I don't really have nothing to pull the generator with that's that big. This thing will pull it, and I did pull it here like 2 miles down the road. So I looked under there, and it had this little fitting here that was right there, and it was screwed to the side. And then I looked under there, and it had all these plug-ins, just like your headlights and stuff on your Humvee. They're like waterproof plugs. So I ended up coming back here, and obviously this one here was bolted where these were all housed at, and so I would think that that would be the ground. So I hooked my ground up with my voltmeter, and then I turned on my headlights on my Humvee, and I tried to see which one of these was hot. This one right here, which is number 21, was hot. So I plugged that into my tail lights, which is, you know, to each side. And then I ended up, this is the left turn signal, the yellow. I ended up hooking it to the 22 and 461, but usually it goes by the 22. I don't know what the 461 is. The military really made like all this stuff like dummy proof, so anybody can work on them out in the field. And then my right turn signal, which is this green, is the 22 460. So I guess it does matter. So 461 is going to be your left turn signal, and 460 is going to be your right turn signal, and then 21 is your tail lights. That's number 23. That's number 24 484 and 24 483. Now I don't know what those do. I've turned on everything. That might that's probably for the night vision markers. So this 23 is probably going to be the tail lights for it, and then these are going to be the turn signals, I guarantee. So I just figured that out, and this one ain't hooked to nothing. It was capped, and it looks like cut, but it's not. It's coated. So I ended up hooking it up, and I made this little, I actually used this one on my trailer. So I'm going to end up cleaning all this up and mounting this piece onto my trailer, and then I'll end up having the plug here, and all this will be cleaned up, and it'll be in here. I'll probably put a little box or something to house everything in, but I just wanted to share with you guys it, and I will show you it working. So I'll turn the lights on if I can do it one-handed. So my lights are on, my tail lights and my tail lights. So we'll go to the blinker, left, blinking, blinking, not blinking, blinking, and not blinking. So we'll go to the right side. Probably making you guys dizzy. So not blinking, blinking, not blinking, and blinking. So now I'm going to, and I'm going to go, make sure I can see this one. I'm going to go turn the blinker off, and I'm going to hit the brakes. So that is how I wired this trailer up. I'm going to order the lights for my marker lights, which your trailer might be different. The ones that are on this are the T10 bulbs, LED. You can get a pack of 20 on Amazon for like $9.99. So I'm going to order some of those to put in, and then I will put all the caps on. But right now I'm going to finish hooking all this up into a box somehow and securing it. That way it's not in the way of anything. And I just wanted to share that with you guys of how I did it, and in case somebody else wants to, because I know that plug thing is really expensive. So if you could find one like I did, I mean, I guess you could say that plug I paid $2,000 for, because that's what I bought that military generator for. Or I might have paid less than that. I can't remember. Anyways, I paid a good bit for it. Yes, the generator works, so didn't just get it for the cable. But if you could find somebody that's got one of those, or some kind of old military, the little, can't remember the model of the trailers, the military trailers, and they have this style thing, then you can take it apart just like this. And then if I ever want to hook this up onto the other, I just go up there and they are numbered, and I just unplug these. I put these little, my thing's a mess in here. I got these bullet disconnects, and the little bullet in the male one actually plugs right into those. So I have them plugged in, and I will be able to unplug them from this system and take that cable back up there and put it on that if I ever decide to move that. Anyways, just wanted to share that with you guys. Love you all, and praying for each and every one of you. And I guess that's about it. Just wanted to hang out. But I will be posting a video pretty soon, giving an update on the shop and an update on my life and everything, but didn't want to do it on here. Wanted this one to be strictly about the Humvee, and maybe a little bit about the chickens and some ADHD off somewhere else. But love you guys, and I will see you. If you ain't subscribed, please like, share, and subscribe. Share it, whatever. Love you. Jesus loves you, and I'll see you on the next video.